Welcome back, auto detailers. Are you ready to take your car detailing to the next level? Today, we present the top 5 polishers that will revolutionize your polishing game. Get ready to achieve that flawless finish you've always dreamed of. Links to these polishers can be found in the description below. Let's dive in. 1. RUPES LHR 15 Mark III. Built to handle any detailing situation, this polisher is the new frontier of detailing. Its ergonomic design allows for precise paint correction with complete comfort, even on curved surfaces and difficult-to-reach areas. With improved ergonomics and advanced features, the LHR 15 Mark III sets a new standard in dual-action polishing. 2. Flex XC3401 VRG. This polisher combines the power and speedy correction of a rotary polisher with the ease of use and safety of a dual-action machine. Its unique gear tooth design creates a more powerful forced rotation motion, allowing you to remove deeper swirls and scratches with ease. The Flex XC3401 VRG is the go-to choice for professionals seeking versatility and exceptional results. 3. Meguiar's MT300. For those seeking professional-grade results, look no further than the Meguiar's MT300. Engineered by professionals, this polisher delivers outstanding performance for compounding, polishing, and waxing. With its digital torque management and wide speed range, you can achieve faster compounding and superior final polishing. Ergonomically designed for reduced user fatigue, the Meguiar's MT300 is a reliable companion for all your detailing needs. 4. Adams 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher. If power and efficiency are what you're after, the Adams 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher won't disappoint. With improved engine performance and an ergonomic design, this polisher guarantees swirl-free, scratch-free, and debris-free results. Its strong correcting ability and versatility make it a favorite among detailers. From paint correction to chrome restoration, the Adams 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher is a true workhorse. 5. Porter Cable 7424XB. This 6-inch variable speed random orbit polisher is ideal for automotive and marine projects. With its professional, swirl-free sanding and polishing action, it's perfect for achieving that showroom shine. The Porter Cable 7424XB features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to handle and control during extended polishing sessions. And there you have it, our top 5 dual-action polishers. Whether you're a detailing professional or an avid enthusiast, these polishers will take your car's finish to new heights. Choose the one that suits your needs, and let the transformation begin. Links to these polishers can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car detailing content. Happy polishing!